All them you throw knife for you. All them you throw knife. Let's put them on. Easy. Then they go and roast. Coconut milk. Turn and time, mac it in. Alright. Good people. There's tomato, onion, sea pepper. Yes people, it'll go down. Alright people, eat that, run down. Alright people, this are the end result. Welcome to the people. Today, I'm going to do some roasted fruit and run down. You see me? Can't river now because the rain, river dirty. So we can't go on river. So what I'm going to do, I make that at home. So I'm not use no stove, I use the coal stove, you see me? I use coal. Use stick and cut the run down on the coal. You see me? So you can stay tuned for that. Subscribe to the channel, touch the like button, leave a comment, follow me on Instagram, follow my TikTok, some of my TV vlogs, follow my personal IG page, Jeff876. You see me? Oh, we can hardly see. Yeah, so just stay tuned. And I don't think we can go river anytime soon because there got some chemicals in the river. So I don't know, no fish in the river again. The whole recovery wipe out fish, crayfish, all them something that they do out. I not who, but I not call my name because I don't know about to say I bring down them company and them things, so I not call no name. What I can do now, I show you a clip of somebody make and post, right? The person call the company name, you know, but I'm not going to beep out it because I said before, I don't know about to say I bring down them company and all that, is me. Word in the streets are them and all that, but I don't know if they do it intentionally. Like I said, they got the chemical in the water and never know say it creates such damage or it genuinely get it from them. I don't know. And I can say it happened because of them. And I feel like say them supposed to do something. So stay tuned for the video.
We in our backyard, you know. You see me I say, and you know say today Emancipation Day, right? So you know say I saw every Sunday and holiday where everybody from in our community, I saw them come swim, youth them come swim. Yeah. It's a company where keep polluting the water. As you can see, dead fish them in a brother, and not chatting, you know. See them there, the whole life fish them dead off in the river. And today Emancipation Day, where we can afford to go to the beach, so a riverside. As you can see, every Sunday we post here, doing so we enjoy with Sunday. See it there, you know, my people. Yeah. You saw them pies out the river. You see that fish them? I'm going to show that.
Yeah, I rented now, so I'm going to buy the starfish now. Yeah, first thing I'm going to buy are the starfish, they make the coconut and the breadfruit. So hopefully we get the breadfruit. Everything is kind of expensive now, you know. But that's what I go on still. Take a bowl. Get the starfish already, so look at the breadfruit now and the coconut. And I eat that. Are you sell it? You are selling? 150. Alright, same. Want two of them? So nice roasting one. Beef, I can't get no dry coconut. I'm going to use some coconut powder. Alright, I still can't get the dry coconut. If not, if I use coconut powder, I'm going to use that. I want to keep everything authentic as possible. So, I'm checking what I'm doing. Alright people, sorry back my links today. Get everything I want except the platen. You see, I wanted the platen, but not the rundown because I think it's nice. Why it's so hot, I can add it myself. But I get everything I want. I couldn't video to me buy the coconut because I did play and don't you can't video. when music play because I don't want to get flagged because of copyrights or strike or whatever. You see me? So we just buy it and get 3 bills. Coconut expensive but as a man like Italian thing like pick it for myself and everything there. But my chin have none right now, so I have to buy it. I never want to use no coconut powder. If the coconut powder will be cheaper, but I never want to use it, so I just say go. So let's stay tuned for the rundown, you see it. So people, this are for 3 bills. 3 bills is kind of expensive. I don't know if because me used to up enjoy cooking for myself. My tree finish now. I don't know still, and the person who I get coconut from, with my tree have none, I now go inside of it now. You see me? So I have to buy it. I don't know. I don't know if it's worth it, but to me it's kind of expensive. Yeah, to me it's kind of expensive. I don't know, maybe people them will live like Kingston and all that. Maybe they say, oh, they're cheap or whatever. But me a countryman, me can just go there so and picture coconut and everything there. You see me? I used to buying it at Linstead and at the market or wherever. You see me? I don't know. Come below and tell me if you feel like say this worth the $20. So I'm not know people. I go blend this. You can't buy the greater business. You see me? You can't buy that. I blend it and them look the sticks them for roast BreadFruit. You see me? But first, I'm blend this. I catch the coal. When the coal go and catch. And then the sticks them. So by the time look the sticks and light the fire for the BreadFruit, the coal maybe don't catch already. You see me? So I can put the saltfish if go and boil off. You see me? Just stay tuned. Alright people, so this are the coconut. Inside not bad. This is what I'm going to feed. So pick it out. Put that, cut it up, blend it. So stay tuned. Alright people, this done pick out already. Let me show you something. So it's look. That's why I'm gonna like buy dry coconut on the road because you buy it when you reach and broke it, a foolishness. You see me? It's not dry good. But you can go and still in a bad, but in a dry good. Then you can pick a jelly, chop it out and put in the sun and then carry it on the road, go and sell it. So my advice when you buy a dry coconut on the road, buy say, broke my seed. Or mama who say I miss or what you gonna say. Broke my seed. If you can broke it, because the seed, don't buy it. You see me? When you broke it, you will see and say, alright, this is not good, me not buy this. And just walk away or whatever. But don't buy it unless them broke it, show no. Me should be the broke it show me in the bud. I just say I go still. So people, the saltfish and the coconut milk with skeleton and thyme. I boil along this. No. This I go on for some scald and then this boil long. I then put in additional season. But you don't know. Little maggi season I go night. And then once boil down, then we put in like onion, tomato, sweet pepper and then something there. But first, this will boil off first. So stay tuned. Alright people, so I catch it cold for that now. Might just go and catch meantime. Now catch the next day for the BreadFruit, you see me? It's an easy way to catch coal because I realize say anybody don't catch coal. They can use cardboard, plastic, anything you want to use. And easy way you can use tissue or untoil, little people untoil them and throw a cooking knife on it and light it and then pack coal over it, but not too much because you don't put too much and make it fire stifle. It's if you left like a breathing space and you catch. So you know that hard to catch like how some people make it seems. Easy way. So the females the way don't know if you catch it, you can just get a cardboard box, like box, put it, light it and then pack coal over it or get a tissue or untoil. Just push it like in a ball, throw the cooking knife on it, light it, and then put it in the coal and then pack coal over it. But I said before, not too much. Yeah, but today I can use kerosene oil, gas, or whichever thing you want to use. Anything you want to use. But it's hard to use. But today I use them thing here. Breeze a blow, so I don't know things already. Basically, some pack cola better now. But not too much because I don't want to fire out. You see BreadFruit there, 150 for one, so cheap with two of them, as you see, like clip before. Alright, I'm sure them I buy this. Let's stick them. I think all this was a trophy cent for us and to BreadFruit because you know on a big fire because there's two. You know I'm burn them. See coal here, it catch slowly but surely. I don't know if not see fire here. That's soon ready for the saltfish. I can put it down now, but I'm going to catch it a little bit more. But alright then people. But first, we'll catch the fire for the BreadFruit. First. So I use this, a plastic. And you see I'm little back mat in the boat. This kind of wet enough, so put little not even sure because this kind of wet enough people. But my still can get a catch. I'm going to put the plastic with it. Put it in now because I can't bother. And this now the same thing at the coal fire. You need to overshadow it. You want to stifle the fire. You see me? See people, I'm try to tear like this. Got one on the camera. I put some sticks in it, like a stick here. Yeah. See what's in there. Well, they broke the truth, I know. And look here, so when I try to stick them someday, I get something like them here. All them you can throw in it, like a bram here. All them you throw in for you. All them you throw in it. And little bram here. Just throw in for you. That basically catching the people. Easy. All those things can get stick fire or coal fire. God go with them. Broke it up through an eye. I feel like every man supposed to make them fire, you know. Every man have to keep yourself in life. Because them things are normal thing. We all Jamaicans, everybody supposed to get fire. Let's put them on. Easy. Then they go on roast. I'll show you next time now. What I go on now. They already chop with coconut. Dry coconut. Maybe from yesterday. So just pack them over like this. Pack it over like this. Pack them over here. Yeah. Wow. Alright, so by the time I add it burn out, breadfruit basically don't roast, something else to soak. You see me? Then they go and do the thing. Fire up and now. See? That ready for you. Alright, what shall I go and see? Butter gone on fire. Breadfruit is a roast. Yeah. The people take this one, stir up the coconut milk, salt and thyme, Maggi season. Go and boil down. When it go down now, then we can put in before onion, tomato, sweet pepper, the saltfish and all that. Right? We don't put in salt net until it go down my taste because I don't know the saltfish have it one salt. Right? So you know go put salt in this now and then put in saltfish in it and finish. It's salt you can't eat it, so when that go down my taste it's alright. You want to look more salt or whatever. So stay tuned. See breadfruit in the people. See? It come on so nice. Nice. Look at them so one turn now, look. So can turn them. Alright people, breadfruit one turn now. Alright. Them are almost done people. Basically, they come and turn them now. All the mother just when it's a roast, they just want to soak. Then they almost good. Let's start boil up it. Start to know the breadfruit. Right now people, the breadfruit I finished roast before everything else. Right? So yes, stay tuned, like, comment, share, subscribe. TV if I eat hot. You see me? I want to show my fire. I don't need them don't need nuggets. Yeah? So back with the flow now. Right now. Show my fire them. It's my fire. Yeah. Wow. Pump bastard. That go and do thing. After the destroy well. People, the pot there give me a good burn a while ago. I know say I know it's not steam of my fire, so I know things say it hot though. I know say hot. But come but myself man. Anyways, stay tuned. I've got a dish towel and open it better and show it in it, you see me? Yeah. Breadfruit almost done. Basically breadfruit I soak. So that I do before anything else. I just do and soak slowly. Yeah. Don't want to burn. And keep it. After I done soak now and all that, I keep it close if I eat, but not close enough. Basically, I want to keep warm. Alright, basically this one just boil go right down. So it'll come on good. Boss, I'm gonna burn me funny breadfruit fire. People, so black as you're supposed to see. I don't want rainfall because I'm outside. I do this thing, don't want rainfall. So hopefully no fall. So I'm going down, I turn around rumble. So hopefully fall over the hand. Alright. I'm just going to blend the people. I'm going to go and soak. So most of them fire, I need it again. So most of them fire. I need it again. I take it to put it up as well. I'm just gonna lie. Then it was fast. Then I'm supposed to do the people. So I'm gonna do make it cool, then pick it up. Yeah. I take it from outside and put on the stove inside, you know? Because I'm fearing a fall and more on the run down cup on the coal. I'm on them before rain fall, so That's everything now I put with the saltfish. Yeah. You can put pepper in it, but I'm not really a fan of pepper. So I'm gonna put the pepper in it. And again too, I have it in mind to put it in it, but honestly I don't remember to buy it in limited. So tomato, onion, sweet pepper. Alright people, they might do them before. How do you know when time breadfruit roast? If you do know, you can push a knife through it and find it slide right through. It's good. Or if you're brave enough, you can squeeze it. Yeah. And find it soft. Look. See? You can squeeze it. And it's soft. You're ready. You can squeeze it the whole layer, the strength. Just barely squeeze it. You're supposed to. You think it's supposed to stick down night. I know, so yeah. It roast. Alright. And this is a come on good. But the rain to fall, yo, so I have to put it inside, right? Because the rain a Jew. See the people, rain a fall. People, see this boil go down, right? The inside on the stove now. Anyways, so far in the air. So let's say show it go down. Alright people, so everything I throw at night when time the coconut milk finish boil down. See saltfish here, pick up onion, sweet pepper, tomato. Yeah. So when boil down, you just throw in it. Throw this in it, make it finish boil down with the other thing. My taste is saltfish already, you know, and it tastes kinda fresh. Boil too long, but so you go before I throw the salt in it and thing because man rasta I can't eat fresh food and this boil out too much in my still because I like when I saltfish have a little salt in it. That's why I need saltfish. I like some people them boil you know, it's no salt, no salt. That and not saltfish again. Saltfish, they have like a salt knife, taste salty. Not too much to kill you up, but you have like a saltfish taste to it. That's why I need saltfish. People so far you know. I go down slowly but surely. Comment below and tell me if at the right time now for throwing the saltfish and something there. Well, eat that. Yeah. To tell the truth, I don't really buy from random things still. I put it the same way. So comment below and tell me if you know at the right time. But I feel like I'm on the right time still. So I'm try night now. So the tomato, onion, sweet pepper. So yeah, tomato, onion, sweet pepper. And this guy time boil them already. Some is going to boil down. Them checking back. Yeah. Yeah, before when you boil them checking back. Yes people, it a go down. Alright people, eat that. Run down. Comment below what next name for run down. All of the big people them who watch this, just comment below and tell me our next name for run down. Right? I don't know if you have next name like you have Dukono and Blue Jazz. Yeah, so comment below and tell me. So I peel BreadFruit now and all that and mash up this. It looks so nice. Comment below and tell me oh it looks tone. Grade me from 1 to 10 and tell me how it looks right now. Alright people, this are the end result. So I mash up time now. Alright people, if you reach here so that means say when you make it to the end of the video. Right? I'm giving you a review of the rundown and the roast BreadFruit now. Rundown part, they are alright. Right? Even though I never put a salt in it, And look, the thing, I never put my salt in it, right? Because the salt they alright, you know, fresh. I totally forgot to taste it and thing, but that good still because it never fresh. The only problem I find at the breadfruit, no taste, no taste. It just tastes fresh, brother. No taste, no little sweet taste. I just throw my tree can finish and now still. Cause normally I have breadfruit, right? And thing. My tree can finish now, so I have to buy breadfruit, right? And the coconut I use, the coconut, it never so 100 neither. You see me, but nevertheless, they're not good same way. Yeah. I like the original native coconut. But yeah, alright, same as breadfruit, never set off. I said before, breadfruit kind of fresh. In the nice, non tall, no nice. At first, for me myself, I buy breadfruit a road. No joke. Cause now I'm in a buy then something that me feel for the rundown and the breadfruit. I say, alright, you are gone now. I'm gonna buy rundown, no, I'm gonna buy breadfruit a road and thing. And vlog this, right? Yeah. So, comment below and tell me one thing about rundown and red breadfruit if you don't love it. And comment below and tell me what we can do differently with rundown. Yeah. Maybe everybody cook it different. So comment below and tell me what could I done different. Smash the like button. Subscribe to the bell if you know video drop. Share the video. Share it to everybody we know. It no matter the age group, but share it because the channel here I can bring something for everybody. So down to all the whole lady we go to church every Sunday and sing pang payang, book a preach, pay warrior, or whatever position you take a church. You can watch them video because I make them clean as possible. Yeah. Follow me Instagram, follow me TikTok, Tama TV vlogs, personal IG, Jeff876. That's it. Look more, I'm gone. All people up deep on the rain. You know say as I take the pot and put it inside, the rain stop. I say, Jaja God. I know some say like how the pot they kinda cover away because it's under my act tree a bit, so it never catch it. So I say, you know what? I take away because I can't bother if rain come down fast. Come down hard. I put a rub and down, try take it outside put in the house and things. I'm sorry, I take it up. I'm gonna take it up, rain for about 5 minutes and near fall hard. I said, Judge of God, but I just say go still, part of life. Maybe next week or something can do some vlogs or river and thing. Maybe next week river clean up. Yeah, I'm gonna comb here now because the two for comb, so you want to wash and comb now. I never wash it this morning because I say, yo, wash it and then go roast breadfruit, smoke up here. No. Do me I do and then me wash it. So now I can get it washed now and comb and all that. See me, so that's stay tuned, yeah. Love you. Share the video. Share. I'm out.